In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of my triple square spline bit socket set by Capri. This one has 10 bits in total, and they're in the metric size. The thing I noticed about this when I got it from Amazon was the nice case. It's a compact size to fit good in a toolbox or tool chest, a nice latch on front. When I opened it up, I noticed that the bits were in a nice organized fashion inside the case, and each had their own space. So like I said, you have 10 bits in total. These three are for the 1/4 inch drive. Starting with the one here, this is the smallest one in the set. It's a 4mm. And the next size is going to be a 5 and then a 6mm. And then these three down here are going to be for your 3/8 inch drive, starting with the 8mm. Another thing I liked about this set when I was looking at them is they stamped these with a nice size number for the sizes, so they're easy to read and locate the size socket that you want. So that's the 8, and then you have the 9, and then the 10mm. They also use a very nice alloy steel, the S2 steel, and chrome vanadium, so very durable. And then these four are going to be for your 1/2 inch drive and larger fasteners, and this one's going to be for the 12mm. And the next size is a 14, and then a 15mm, and then the largest one in the set is going to be the 18mm. So I originally bought this set to do some work on my 2009 Gallardo, and I had this for about 2 years, so it's been a very nice set to have in the toolbox. Also, this could be useful for other makes and models, such as VW or Audi as well. So if you're in the market for a triple square bit set, this is a very nice set and would recommend you take a look at this one. So that's my quick review on this Capri triple square socket set.